Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. If you're not already a member, go ahead and give us a visit at www.thetradinganalyst.com. So we're going to get into the November 5th, 2015 midday market report. First, I'm going to be covering the Netflix chart. This is the 15-minute chart of today's action and yesterday's action. Just want to point out a couple of things. The overlying trend today is down. We've got this downtrend line from the highs of today, touch right here, and it looks like we're about to test it again right here. We had a really bearish candle right here, kind of a fake out. It was a really bullish break above this 114.20. We did it on some pretty nice volume as well. But then we had a really bearish candle right here on even heavier volume. So the heaviest volume we've had in a couple days was on this next 15-minute candle right here. And so right here, we have this counter trend move upward, and we got rejected right at this resistance. It was former resistance before 114.20, and it was also the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement from the highs over here to the lows over here. So a really nice rejection when you can get Fibonacci's to match up perfectly with resistance. So I do think Netflix is coming down from here. It also broke below that little uptrend line that it had. It's bearish below 114.20, bullish above that. So keep it simple. I think we can tag 112 again. We'll see how it plays out. There's also a uptrend line that's about at 111. Not sure if we'll get there, but definitely like Netflix for a possible long down near 111 if it can get there. So I like it short right now, but I like it possibly long around the 111 area. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. I'm going to cover the S&P 500 chart really quick. Okay, same kind of thing that we've got going for the S&P 500. Let's see if I can draw this trend line here, if that works. Don't think it's going to work. Kind of. I'd like to see more than just, 1, 2 touches, but I'm going to draw it just in case. Excuse me. But we've got a uptrend line right here for the S&P 500. If that holds, we can head higher, but I have the Fibonacci's drawn from the highs over here to the lows over here, and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is 210.25, and so far we have gotten rejected right there. I do think it heads down. We are breaking that trend line right now, but of course when you're using 15-minute candles, you want to see the candle close, and there's another 14 minutes of this candle until it closes. So we want to see a close of the 15-minute candle below this trend line, and if that happens, I definitely think that the S&P 500 is coming down from there, and that we can at least tag the lows again later in the day. Taking a look at GoPro here, I'm going to expand the chart. Okay, so we broke below this 2480 level, and we're hanging below it. It's kind of the last stand for GoPro. If we can hang around below here, we can tag this level down here at about 2430. Okay, if we close below 2480 on the daily chart on the day, then that would make a bearish engulfing on the daily chart for GoPro, and I think GoPro would be heading down from there. Let's see if there's anything else I need to cover. Apple, yep, okay, so Apple, we liked it short on a break below this 121.80, met our first target of 120.60. We've got the levels here are about 120.60 right here. Next level of support is 120. We kind of bounced off of that so far. Apple's getting a little extended up here. It might, or down here rather. It might get a little bit of a short-term bounce, but I think that Apple's a short on the day, and I think that any pop should be shorted. Let's see some retracement levels we can get. So from the highs here to the lows here, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is, what do you know, right up there at 121.80. So if it gets up there, definitely a nice short opportunity in my opinion on the day for us. Okay, that's it for the midday market report. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys were able to learn a thing or two. If you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and give us a try. www.thetradinganalyst.com. You can sign up today and start receiving alerts tomorrow.